Good morning, Corey Butts Electric and AC here, looking for a leak on a 2023 Amana condensing unit. And the reason that we use fluorescent dye to track down our leaks, that is not oil in the bottom there. That's from me putting my spray on it to pinpoint it. But as you can see, this stuff glows when we put an ultraviolet light on it, and you can actually hear the leak this time. And I've got it marked right there. Massive leak on a fairly new Amana here. Replacement condenser coil is going to be required. Give us a call for your air conditioning needs, 512-556-6818.